Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have MMAT, okay? And as you can see, MMAT yesterday really did manage to push to the upside right around 15%, which is insane, bro, okay? And today we're going to be talking about some price predictions. What do you guys think? You feel me? I have some comments right here that I really want to read. Also, I will be talking about the price action, some things about what the George did and all other good stuff. Overall, a lot like great informative video today. Okay, just a daily dose of update about MMAT, and then just get straight into it. Okay, first of all, it is sitting a price around 537. I will kind of make the numbers bigger right here so you can guys see that. No, this is too big, around 16. Okay, so I think that you can right now see when I say, for example, I did the line put right here, and you can see to the side that it is 631. Okay, so yeah, I think that you can kind of see that right now. And let's get straight into it. This prediction right here was kind of all right because if you go to the lower time frame, as you can see, this is how it went up. We did have kind of retrace, and you did manage to push to the upside. Pretty happy about that. That's what I'm like. Why am I gonna do everything that is right here? Have some like I had some predictions in mind that if we manage to push to the downside, this was the level that we are about to bounce off of. You feel me? And so on and so on. So I will be talking about the price prediction at the end of the video, but let's just start with the about my price prediction. But let's just start with yours, okay? So the first of all, what is your prediction? So a lot of the people, they bought a lot of money worth of shares. You feel me? Or for example, $100 worth of shares, and so on and so on. But out of like curiosity, I was wondering why are you and like wondering where you can see the stock in the future. So a lot of people think that there is going to be a squeeze to around $300 and then end up at right around $20. Okay, steady growth until 2026, and it will be 100 plus. But in all reality, that's it. Okay, the short squeeze, I think that it's about to happen, and if you manage to hit around $300, for example, as that like that percentile right there, from the point that we are right now. So for example, from I don't know $5 or 41 or 535, okay, 536. From there, to right around $300, we are gonna be up 5,505%. Okay, so if you manage to kind of cash out right there, 5,500% return on your investment is huge. Okay, it's huge. And like how far like do you mean into the future? So if you mean like 3 to 5 years, or like I can't say that it will be right around for like $1 or like conventional growth, but like again, 1,828% return on your investment is absolutely huge too. So do what you want with this. So like, what do you think about the next month? A lot of people just bought the stock and like don't know what they think about, but a lot of people, like as one person said, okay, I make $100 whenever like every time this pushes one penny to the upside. So he managed the amount of shares that he has. Like we could do the math, but I don't have the time right now. Okay, so yeah, just like stay strong, keep on buying, and so on and so on. And everybody blow this like blow this stock up. Okay, I know that you cannot blow for your like if you're individual, blow this up. But we as a community that we absolutely love MMAT, we could like really do a lot of things for MMAT. For example, we can kind of say that, like whenever we go, I don't like trying to say that you can spam like MMAT everywhere on the internet, but in some like conversation you can spark up some things. Okay, make sure for like if you're following like stock investors on TikTok, just comment out right there in some subreddits, and you feel me in some discords, just allow around other communities so we can get a lot of more traction. I know that like MMAT has 14,000 people, if I'm not wrong, in Reddit. Okay, so a lot of people did manage to put some money from their savings, but a lot of people and those same people, if they had like they've put their savings, like they're managing with a lot of money. Like for example, you have like 5,000 in your savings. I mean 10,000 is always how much do you have, but they're working with some great money. So they're of course like some people are waiting even for 4 digits. Okay, some people are saying, "Oh, you gotta be kidding!" No, like you've gotta be special to not see it, buddy. Okay, he's talking about 10 plus years if you can see that far. So, for example, like you going from right here, you can 4 times that. If you wanna go, like after the squeeze when we hit like $20, Okay, so this is just my opinion about that. After the squeeze, when we hit like $20, it could like we are pretty much far. Like if you four times the amount of the share price, the stock price right now, like we're going to be having $20, but we are around like 275% away from that, which is a pretty good number. Okay, I'm not saying that it is not, but I think that this stock, bro, has a big potential, and I'm not selling for them on digits, only the triple digit mark. And as I said, the floor for me will be right around $300. Okay, so some people, some people like first thing that the first squeeze will go to right around $100. Okay, so you may want to sell at that point because it will go down to 40s and then reinvest. Okay, some I mean a lot of people could not agree with that, but everyone has their own opinions, and like to be honest, nobody can kind of get them right. I mean, you could have a prediction and you could kind of have a luck to kind of predict that, but nobody can really tame the market. Okay, so some people said too that I can see it going to around $100 to $300 with the squeeze, coming back down to the $50 range, then with a quarter four results and some people like press release back over $100 in the next year. Will be overvalued at that, but it is like so much potential, and that's what you're buying with the stock is not just the current price but the future potential. That's pretty simple and pretty, you feel me, a pretty good set. And as I said, that there are going to be some like a lot of things that we're going to be working for. The actual, I think that the person who holds the red MMAT, he's going to having like a um, kind of he's collecting questions to ask George. Okay, he's not a random like writer. He started this subreddit and Discord, and he will be talking about meta and still working out the details in the interview. Okay, so he will be interviewing George Polikaros. Okay, so also George, the most recent post on Twitter was that it's been a busy week. I hope you all agree. I hope you are all are getting are like, oh my god, it has been a busy week. I hope you all are getting your groove on for the long weekend. Here's one of my favorite AC/DC songs. Leave it like don't get your energy going. It will be a exciting fall. Okay, so he's pretty happy. And for those of you who do not know, this is the CEO of MMAT, and that account is real. You can go check it out, George Polikaras on Twitter, and you will find him out. Pretty simple. And the other thing that I really wanted to say was this. So just remember that they short it down when the stock price was 990. And when I say 990, it was right here. Nah, not there. Yeah, right around these areas. Okay, so they shorted when it was down 90. Then five of like right around five like five-ish dollars is nothing. I want them to pay what they have done to us. Okay, and I mean, yes, okay. I think that the King George needs to release some great news, and so on and so on. But I still believe in George, and I think that it all has been going according to the plan. And this is why I absolutely think that he's genius. Wishful thinking is that during a squeeze we get a massive PR drop. I don't know if it will happen, but if it does, I think it does a couple of things. It fuels the run up. The problem is that it makes the bottom even harder to determine since whatever like press release gets dropped hasn't been priced in yet. And then this stock is like is freaking best. I've never had such a fast and solid return anywhere near this fast. I found out about the company long after most of us, and I did my own research. Like I was glad to see a community supporting this as myself. So also this person too, he says I've watched the craziness all year, but was too scared to get in myself. Finally, I decided to try it out. Did some research, and this company popped up quite a bit. The things they're developing are like really impressive. If things work out the way they expect, this is going to be a monster of a company. And again, for a bare minimum, the triple digit number, and the first number will be starting with three, four, maybe five. Okay, that's just my opinion for right now. And that's about it for today. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Chill out for the weekend. I mean, yeah, we're gonna be having the last trading day too. So chill out for the weekend and peace out.